Given a probability p of an event occurring, we know that the amount of information that you get from being told that a particular event occurred is log base 2 of 1 over that probability. Using that information, let's try to answer the following questions. Someone picks a name out of a hat known to contain the names of 5 women and 3 men, and tells you that a man has been selected. How much information have they given you about the selection? The probability of a man being selected in this problem is 3 out of 8, so the amount of information that you have been given is log base 2 of 1 over 3 out of 8. That's equivalent to log base 2 of 8 over 3. Another way to think about this is that if you start off with n choices and the additional information that you are given reduces your choices to m, then the amount of information that you have been given is log base 2 of n over m. In this example, n equals 8 because that is the original number of choices. The reduced number of choices once you're told that a man has been selected is 3, so m equals 3. This means that the amount of information you received is log base 2 of 8 over 3. For the second question, you are asked to guess a random 4-bit 2's complement number. I then tell you that the number is greater than 0. How much information have you been given? For this problem, the original number of choices is the number of permutations of 4 binary bits, which is 16. So n equals 16. Once you're told that the number is greater than 0, this reduces your choice to 7. So m equals 7. That means that the amount of information that you have been given is log base 2 of 16 over 7.